Yes, hello everyone. My name is Gaston Kazimoto. I'm the representative of Spoke of Hope worldwide. So I'm here just to talk a little bit about the five major functions of management. So those five major functions of the management, the first one we have planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. So let me try to explain a little bit about those five. I will start with planning. The planning is all things related to preparation, because if you are trying to organize a meeting, or if you are thinking about any project, you have to plan. You have to think how that will be working, how it function. And some people, they can say, maybe we plan for 5 years, we can plan for a month, we can plan for a week. We can also make a schedule. We can organize everything on paper. So it facilitates someone or a manager to know what is the necessary, what is unnecessary, what is the priority, so that I may start with what is priority and put aside what is not priority. So planning is very important for any manager or any person who is trying to work on something, who is trying to organize something and think about the outcome. And because they're thinking about the outcome, which should be positive, so the planning is very, very important for any manager. The second thing is organizing. Organizing, it's what we can say now to see maybe in the meeting how many people are going to join in the meeting. So what, for example, equipment am I going to use? For example, when the event will happen, for example, I may say I'm going to use which kind of resource: human resources, material resources, financial resources. So all those things, they help a manager to be well organized and also to be successful in a meeting or in any program. Maybe the program will take, I don't know, 5 years. So you should organize everything to say this person will be helping me, will be facilitating me. If, for example, I'm not there, is going to take over, is going to lead and support everything. So we have to combine. We start with planning and organizing. Staffing is a recruiting or you're hiring. How many people I'm going to hire? How many people I'm going to work with? How many people are going to facilitate this so that I may achieve my goal and objective? So I should maybe involve other people, because myself as a manager, I'm limited. But if I involve other people, if I get support from this person or another, if, for example, we are trying to cooperate together, I think we can reach our goal, because I also involve other people as a resources, and those resources, they are especially human resources for me to attend and to reach my goal. The fourth is the leading. You know, leadership, we say, leadership is everything which allow people to come, to join my idea, to be supporting my idea, or to join my vision. Because we learned about many pillars of leadership, like ingenuity, like vision, like heroism, courage, and things like how to be a good quality of a leader. You should be open-minded. You should be someone who is flexible. You should be someone who is cooperative. So all those things, they are involved in leadership, because you are leading people. We don't lead material, we don't lead animal, but we lead people. And those people, they have the skills, they have knowledge, they can understand what direction I want to lead them, and maybe they can also suggest something. So when they say in the course of leadership, if you are leading and no one is following you, it's like you are taking a path, you are taking just a walk alone. But in leadership, we have to get people, and people who are really, really informed very well about the goal, the objective of what we are trying to do, so that they can join me. The follower, they have to be there. So as a manager, I should lead everything so that many people, they may come and join my idea, and together we can move, we can reach. But also a leader, you should have a love, because they say this is the big pillar of a leadership, love. You have to love your people. You have to love your follower. And there is the reason why many leaders, they even forget themselves. They even think behind their big objective, behind their interest, because they want just to support the idea of the follower. We got many leaders in the world. We have politicians, we have like a Christian, we have like a charismatic leaders. So all those people, they are part of leaders, and also, but it depends how kind of leadership are you using. Are you a dictator? Are you a democratic leader? Are you maybe someone who is trustful? Are you someone who is merciful? Like when, for example, Christian, they believe that Jesus was a great leader because he laid down his life for the people, and he led them in a straight and a good way. He teach them many things about love. He teach them about compassion. He teach them about affection and many things. So, but also some leaders, like we have in politics, we have also leaders who are doing great things. Like, for example, I love some leaders like Martin Luther King in America. I love leaders like, for example, Gandhi. I love leaders like someone like Abraham Lincoln and also Obama, because they try to show people, they try to work for people, and they want to bring a change in their community. And when we talk about leadership, so we should also involve other people who can cooperate, who can bring the idea, and together we can move forward. The controlling, the last one is controlling. How can you be a manager without controlling? Because you know where to go, you know the objective, you know your plan, you have already planned, you have already organized everything, you have already recruited people, you have already led, but also you have to control to see what is going, what is failing, what is succeeding, what am I going to add, what am I going to reduce, so that everything may go in a straight way and we can reach our goal and objective. So let me talk a little bit again about the free management style that is used with many organizations, company, and in the society. For example, directing. We need to direct. Direction is to conduct, to show. It's like I'm a driver, I'm having my car, so I have to conduct it, I have to lead it, I have to go somewhere with my car. And as a leader, as a manager, you have to direct people. And our direction, because we are not a dictator, we are not people who are imposing ideas and interests, but also we have to cooperate and show people this is a good, a straight way to go. And if we apply this way, we are going to reach our goal and objective. It's to show, to teach. When I'm directing people, I have to teach them. I have to show them what to do and what they are not supposed to do. Delegating. We have to delegate. To delegate is to empower the people. If, for example, I will not be available, I have to choose another person, another follower who is capable to do the same work that I can do, is capable to lead as I can lead. So that person will be there just as a representative to do some work that I'm supposed to do, but I also should do it correctly. And when we represent, when we delegate someone, we represent that person. We like empower him. We like doing the same thing in the same work that the person was supposed to do. That is delegation. And the last one is discussing. We need to sit down, to come around the table and to talk realities, to say about what is the fact, what is the... For example, I can say about the scenario. If, for example, there is a conflict between Mr. A and Mrs. B, I think when we discuss, we sit on the table, we can find a durable solution, because I will talk to Mr. A, is you who is mistaken, is you who made a mistake, and then let's try to correct them and to serve the reputation of our organization so that we can move together forward. So that is a discussion, because when people they are discussing, we argue, we debate, we see what is reality, what is liars. And in terms of conflict, like any conflict which can happen at the organization, Spoke of Hope worldwide, and I think Mr. A should be flexible, should understand, and also should maybe repair any mistake and any problem which happen. So we have to discuss and sit down. To delegate, it's like I may take another person and say, you are going to represent us there to talk about our organization and to say what exactly we are doing. For example, we are providing bicycle to students who are in need of them. So the one who is delegated is going there just to talk on behalf of the entire organization, but also on the behalf of the manager, to speak about our goals, our objective, and what we are doing. And for example, directing, the scenario that I can say there is just to teach people how to maybe manipulate bicycle, how to use bicycle. People who don't know how to ride, people that don't know how to use those bicycles, they should be taught how to manipulate those things. And also we have to talk to them about our policies, we have to talk to them about our goals and our objective. And then, so those are three things that I wanted to talk, and they are style that I use in management. Thank you very much, and I appreciate so much the discussion and the presentation. Thank you very much.